In every life, there is a moment when you feel distant, a moment when everything feels out of reach. But what if you could return to your true self? What if you could rediscover the peace buried within you? What if you could stop searching for answers and start creating them? Science confirms that meditation reshapes the brain, reduces stress, and enhances clarity. It is a tool not just for relaxation, but for transformation. A 40-day journey not just about meditation, but about awakening your true power, connecting with a higher purpose, and reimagining what it means to live. Join us in the 40-day online meditation program by Buddha CEO Quantum Foundation, where leaders, employees, creators, and dreamers come together to breathe, reflect, and align their hearts with what truly matters. This is not just another meditation course, this is a doorway to the life you are meant to create. 75-minute live sessions, scientifically designed to unlock the full potential of your mind, body, and spirit. Daily wisdom notes, sharing insights that will guide your thoughts every single day. Guest leaders offer wisdom from people who have walked the path you're on. Group meditations empower you with the collective energy of hundreds, bringing your personal growth into a larger community of transformation. This is not about changing who you are, it's about remembering who you have always been, the creator of your own reality, the leader of your own story. The world needs more leaders who lead from within, leaders who transform their lives and the lives of others.
Meditation has changed my life. I personally do it every day.
It was a combined effort, like the teachings, the science behind it, the art, and the benefits, all of them were kind of grounded into a simple language.
Not to react, but to respond to situations. I used to react, sometimes in a negative way, judge, do all of that. But as Chandra sir has spoken many times, where your thoughts go, your energy flows.
It helps me understand the patients better because everybody is going through the same stress in life. But when you join with meditation and you are able to see the bigger truth in life, you're able to understand the queries that the patient have in a bigger manner, and then you can guide them through that.
Will you step into the life you were meant to live? The 40-day meditation journey starts now. Register for free. Your transformation begins with a single breath.